Ever wondered where to plan your next vacation? Picture this, Nepal, a haven for nature enthusiasts with the majestic Himalayas, including the world's highest peak, Mount Everest, offering a sight like no other. Think Nepal is just for mountaineers and trekkers? Think again. The diverse landscapes range from lush jungles to serene lakes. Envision yourself exploring the vibrant city life of Kathmandu one day and the tranquil beauty of Pokhara the next. But the allure of Nepal doesn't stop at its natural beauty. The culture is rich, steeped in history and immersive. Ancient temples and monasteries, colorful festivals. It's a blend of tradition and spirituality that's hard to find elsewhere. And the people, their warmth and hospitality make you feel right at home. Engage in fascinating conversations about their customs and way of life, and you'll find yourself falling in love with the country even more. And let's not forget the food. A culinary adventure awaits with momos, dal bhat, and a plethora of spices that create a flavor explosion. And the famous yak cheese, it's a must-try. For those seeking a thrill, Nepal offers a plethora of activities, from trekking and paragliding to whitewater rafting. And the best part, it's all set against breathtaking natural backdrops. So when's the next flight out? Nepal, a hidden treasure waiting to be explored. It's more than just a vacation. It's a journey into nature's paradise. Start planning because Nepal is calling.